My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am here to give my presentation on the topic Hospital Management System for Blood Donors. Here is my team members' name: Aftab Ala Mansari, Ayush Kumar Singh, Lilesh Kumar Pal, Mahima Gupta. Here is my project title. Now I am just giving a brief description about my project. Here I have created ER diagram, that is entity relation diagram, which is showing relation between donor blood and recipients. Here I have created use case diagram. It is here for the admin when he is going to add the blood donor record. Here is the first part. When the admin log in to the application, he is able to add the donor record, list donor record, search donor record, and update donor record, and also he is able to delete blood donor record. Now I have created the welcome page through ERD plus. Here is the main menu. Now it is a sub menu I am showing. Here is add blood donor record screen, and now list blood donor record screen, and search blood donor record screen, and edit blood donor record screen, which is here to change the record of the blood donor. And finally, I have created delete blood donor record screen, which is very useful when the blood which is there in hospital is finally donated to someone. Now the admin can delete the blood record. Here is my Word file, which is showing entity relation diagram. It is showing entity relation diagram between donor blood receptionist, and here is I have written some brief review about entity relation diagram. And now I have written description of blood bank management system database. Here is my third Word document, which is containing the screens. I have created this screens on ERD Plus, which is showing first part of application screen, which is welcome screen. Now after welcome screen, the next screen come, which is the login screen. And after login, the admin is able to add, delete, search, edit, and all these points listed here. The admin is able to perform all these things. Here is the add blood donor record screen, and now here it is list of blood donor record screen, and finally blood donor search blood donor record screen, which is here to search the patient record, and at the time of need of blood, the admin is able to search blood group, and finally give to someone who is in need. And now it is screen 7, which is edit blood donor record screen. If the admin has enter any wrong detail, or the blood donor has given some wrong detail, then admin is able to change the detail. Now finally I am showing screen 8, which is the which is the last screen, that is for deleting the patient record. Now I am showing screen design using C. Here it is actual screen 1. Here it is the welcome screen, which I have created using C program. Now I am showing actual screen 2, which is the login screen. If user enter the wrong username or password, the application show that is password is incorrect. And after writing incorrect password, again the menu come, and if the user enter the correct username and password, he is logged into the application. And now after login, the main menu come. And after that, admin is able to add blood donor record, and then after list blood donor record and search blood donor record, and admin is able to update blood donor record. And if admin has entered some wrong detail, he is able to change through this delete blood donor record screen. And finally the end screen. I have created integrating screen Word document. I have written my project. I have written my code in this document. I have declared function here. You can see that that's first screen of my application. And after that, main menu come. And then after login screen come, if the admin enter the correct username and password, it will enter in the application. And now the admin able to add blood donor record, list of blood donor record, and then after search blood donor record, and he is also able to edit blood donor record. And in case he has written some mistake while entering blood donor details, is able to delete this record. Finally, here is my all code which I have written here. It is about 289 lines. Maybe it is not 289. It is more than 300 lines. Here is the whole code. And finally, the end part of the Word document. Now the form validation Word documents come. Here is the constraint which is to be in written code. If the admin enter wrong details or if the admin enter phone number which is less than 10 digit, then there are constraint defined here. First constraint is for username, and then after constraint on password, add new record, constraint on name, constraint on gender, constraint on age, constraint on permanent address, constraint on mobile number, constraint on email ID, constraint on blood group, constraint on doctor, view blood group data, search added member, search by mobile number, search by age, search by email ID, or search by gender. Now I am showing my last Word document, which is use case diagram. it is showing that when the admin enter into application, he is able to perform all the tasks listed here. And here I have written some detailed description about use case diagram. Finally, finally I am going to show my project window, which is here. Now I am going to enter my password. I am able to log in successfully. Here is my all main menu part come. If I want to add blood donor record, I will put enter 1 and enter. Here, here, here application will ask for first name. I will enter Aman, and then her last name, his or her last name, Kumar, and finally gender, age, address, Ghaziabad, contact number, email, and blood donor record. Doctor name, and finally I have recorded information successfully. Application is asking, do you want to add more? So I will put n here. I don't want to record any person. Now finally the main menu will come, and if I put 2 here, here is the record of blood donor. And after putting enter, here I will put 3. I will type Aman. Here is the detail of blood donor. The application is asking, do you want to search more? So I will put n here and enter. Here, if I'll choose 5th, here application is asking for first name of blood donor. And finally, the patient is deleted. And finally, if I want to check the person is deleted or not, I will put 2. And here is the patient deleted. Mean the blood donor is deleted. And now I am finally putting 6 here, which is exit from my application. Thank you, everyone.